My name is Mary Mulvihill. I've lived in Chimsaw Choi since January 1990, 25 years now. I'm from Ireland. I go out and if I see something that needs to be done, be it idling engine, dripping aircon, illegal banners or what have you, then I address the issue. And I do the follow-up, like call up the department. Then when I come home, I'll follow up on the emails. Some days it can be quite a number of hours, other days maybe just 1 or 2 hours. Well, I wouldn't call it work, I call it a civic duty. It's everybody's duty to try and make their neighbourhood look as good as possible and as comfortable as possible for the people who live there and for the people who visit. Dripping aircons has been a problem in this district, in fact all over Hong Kong, to be quite honest. Here we have the A21 bus, which brings the tourists in from the airport. As you can see, right above it, there are multiple dripping aircons. You can also see the pavement. It's only early in the morning, but already there's quite an obvious, a lot of dripping going on. Our tourists coming into town, getting off the bus, with large suitcases so they cannot dodge the drips. This is their welcome to Hong Kong. Now here we have another black spot. I've been making complaints about the dripping air conditioners from this building for more than 15 years. Come peak hour at 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the evening, this pavement is absolutely jammed. Puddle has got a lot bigger and there's lots of water dripping down, and then the people are forced to walk around it. Quite often they're forced out into the street in front of the oncoming traffic. I've made hundreds of complaints over the years about dripping aircons, and some specific locations like the ones I took you to on Nathan Road, you know, once a month. And the government has never got to grips with it, despite the fact that there's very strong legislation against it and the problem could have been resolved a long time ago. Our politicians are completely failing us. Our LegCo members are far too wrapped up in all this democratic issue and all that. Nobody is looking at the day-to-day issues. It's absolutely ridiculous that here we are in Asia's world city and we have conditions like dripping aircons that, I mean, would not be tolerated in any other part of the world.